If you create content, run a business, manage a team, or sell anything online, you already know video isn't optional anymore. It's the language of modern marketing. But here's the truth. Most screen recorders are either too basic, too complicated, or just too slow to keep up with creators and founders who need to move fast. That's why I use and recommend Tella. Tella is the all-in-one screen recording and video creation tool designed for people who want to look professional without spending hours editing. Whether you're making product demos, online courses, plainer videos, client updates, tutorials, or social content, Tella makes you look polished in minutes, not hours. So if you're a content creator, a startup founder, educator, a business owner, Tella isn't just another tool. It's your video unfair advantage. So today, I'm going to show you how to use Tella. So first thing that you need to do is to download Tella. So use my link below to get 30% off Tella. And in order for you to maximize your savings, go for the annual plan. I've been using Tella for more than a year already, and I guarantee you that it's the best screen recording and video tool that I've used ever. So in order for you to maximize it, just use my link and you'll be very happy you did it. So you have 7 days to try it for free. And then download the Mac app if you're using Mac, or just use the browser app if you're on Windows. Okay. First thing that you need to do is to record a video. So click Tella if you've already downloaded it, and then click the red button so you can cancel, pause, or start. You can also use the speaker notes. So just click the 3 buttons and then you can use the speaker notes, copy paste your script, and there you go. And then you can also create multiple clips by clicking the red button and then start again. And then you can do as many clips as you can. So that's very helpful when you're doing a long form video and then you want to repurpose it into short ones. That's the recording part of Tella. All right, so now you're done recording. So this is Tella's dashboard. You can also upload a video and then you can combine the recorded and the uploaded video. So let's now go with the editing part. Tella has these major tools: the auto cut, the studio voice, auto layouts, and zoom. So one-click video cleanup, AI enhanced audio to remove background noise and make that studio voice. Auto layout, so you don't need to spend hours editing, cropping, cutting, trimming your clips. So we have here auto layouts, and then the zoom, where you can automatically make zooms out of your videos. So let's edit the video. All right, so when you click preview, so Tella will redirect you into this dashboard where you can edit the video you've just recorded. So here you can see the title where you can just edit that, and then the size of the video that you want to upload, whether it's landscape for YouTube, portrait for Instagram, TikTok, or shorts, and square for Instagram. So you can also use low resolution files when editing for better performance. So let's just click that edit faster. And then for us to enhance the audio quality and remove background noise, let's just turn on studio voice. All right, so you can also adjust the animation style for zooms and layouts. So we have here gentle, moderate, and snappy. So I want it to be moderate, and then let's go with the cut tool. All right, so this is the cut tool. You can find mistakes, remove buffers, remove silences, and remove filler words. So as you can see, the silences has already been removed, and what's left are the portion that I'm talking. All right, that's very easy, and then you can just double check that if it got the correct words or parts that you want to retain. And then here in the Find Mistakes tool, you can just edit from the transcript where the AI analyzes where you've duplicated some words or some iterations. Okay, so it's trimming, generating a trimming plan. All right. So they're false start. So let's just check that. So since video last year, I think this is a Taglish vlog. So Tella cannot understand Filipino yet. So I will just do manual editing later. So this is the Find Mistakes tool. So if it's pure English, this tool is very, very useful. Okay, so that's the cut tool. All right, so it's getting hotter here. And as you can see, someone is grinding in the neighborhood. So I need to to make my microphone a little bit closer to my voice. All right, so here you can see the layouts. And the only thing that's new here is the custom layout. And then you can also generate layouts here. And then the background, same there. Subtitles and adjust. All right, so another new feature of Tella this 2026 is that the view part. When you're done editing and when you click view, you can see add chapters, generate chapters. There's the transcript. You can just copy that and the comment section. It also has the settings here where when you share your video, if you want to allow downloads or put in subtitles, comments, transcript, publishing date, view counts, you can just put it there and you can just upload a thumbnail to your video. So there, what I like about this is that when I upload something into my video, when I upload this video to YouTube, I don't need to manually scrub the video just to put the timestamps. So this chapter is very, very important and very, very useful for me because I can just generate the chapters and I can just copy paste it to YouTube. That's very, very helpful. And another thing is that there you go. So you can just click done and just copy that. And then you can just put into the YouTube description. So that's very, very nice. I love it. And another thing is that you already have the transcript. You can repurpose this video to 10 more contents by just copying the transcript, ask Claude or ChatGPT to make this into 10 more social media content. You could just do it. So this tool is all in one and it's just super affordable. So Tella's pricing is just, if you use my link, it's just $9 per month. If it's yearly and if it's monthly, it's $18. So that is twice the price. So guys, go for the yearly plan of Tella because you can create unlimited videos, unlimited recording duration, upload your own clips, edit videos with AI, 60 FPS export, up to 5 minutes, and 4K export. So team workspace, you can add your editor. If you don't want to edit it yourself, you can add your teammates if it's just Loom but better. And for the premium plan, it's $13 per month if it's annual and $27 if it's monthly. So I really, really recommend that you use the annual plan and use my link. So it's 30% discount. So that's it. That's that. And that's what I'm using. So thank you so much for watching. And I hope you like this video. Make sure you share and put down your comments if you have questions. And I'm really, really grateful. And subscribe to my newsletter for more updates. So thanks for hanging out with me. And till next time. Bye.